are the weather conditions at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. Bismarck, light snow is falling. Temperature 13 degrees. Relative humidity 81%. Wind north at 14 miles an hour. Wind chill -2. Pressure 30.30 inches and rising. Mandan, mixed precipitation was falling. 10 degrees. Relative humidity 92%. Wind north at 16 miles an hour. Wind chill -7. Hazen, light snow is falling. 10 degrees. Relative humidity 92%. Wind northwest at 6 miles an hour. Wind chill 1. Harvey, cloudy. 9 degrees. Relative humidity 43%. Wind northwest at 8 miles an hour. Wind chill -4. Minot, partly cloudy. 7 degrees. Wind northwest at 15 miles an hour. Wind chill -10. Dickinson, mixed precipitation and fog were reported. Visibility 1/4 of a mile. -1 degree. Relative humidity 91%. Wind west at 9 miles an hour. Wind chill -16. Elsewhere around North Dakota, at Williston, fog was reported with a temperature of -2. At Jamestown, mixed precipitation was falling with a temperature of 18. It was 2 at Garrison. At Fargo, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 19. At Grand Forks, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 19. At Devil's Lake, snow and fog were reported with a temperature of 16. In northern South Dakota, at Mobridge, snow was falling with a temperature of 15. At Aberdeen, the weather conditions were not available. In eastern Montana, fog was reported with a temperature of -6 at Glendive and -5 at Sydney. At Miles City, it was clear with a temperature of -16. The regional weather forecast from your National Weather Service office in Bismarck. A powerful winter storm continued to pull away from the area this Veterans Day morning, but it left a mess in its wake. Travel will be a challenge this morning until road crews can get out and get things cleaned up for us, and they can work faster if we don't get in their way. And it's going to be cold out there, so for your health and safety, take it easy as you clean up your sidewalks and driveways. Work slower and take breaks. If there is a fire hydrant near your home, consider taking some time to clean it. Sorry, there will be very cold for this time of year. Anyway, many places will not reach 20 degrees for highs, and many will drop to near 10 below zero for lows this weekend. That's 25 degrees below normal for mid-November. Here is the forecast for the Bismarck, Mandan, and Lisbon area. Today, cloudy with degrees. Temperature falling in the afternoon. Wind 5 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Lows around 5 below. North winds around 5 miles per hour. Saturday, mostly sunny. 5 to 15. North winds around 5 miles per hour. Saturday night, mostly cloudy. Lows near 0. Southeast winds around 5 miles per hour. Sunday, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of snow in the afternoon. Highs 15 to 20. Winds 5 to 12. Chance of snow 20%. Sunday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of snow this evening. Lows 5 to 10 above. Chance of snow 30%. Monday, mostly cloudy. Highs 15 to 20. Monday night, mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of snow. Lows 0 to 5 above. Tuesday, decreasing clouds. A 20% chance of snow. Highs 15 to 20. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy. Also near 0. Wednesday, decreasing clouds. Highs in the lower 20s. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy. Lows 5 to 10 above. Thursday, mostly cloudy. Slight chance of snow in the morning and a chance of snow in the afternoon. Highs around 20. Chance of snow 30%. Here are the recreation area forecast.
All right, see ya.